If you're exploring the best resin 3D printers, you're entering a dynamic market where innovation meets affordability. Resin printers, particularly those utilizing MSLA, masked stereolithography, technology, have gained popularity for their ability to produce high-resolution prints with smooth surface finishes, making them ideal for applications ranging from intricate miniatures to detailed prototypes. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 Resin 3D Printer. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axis. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49 /153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. With a new design, the laser engraving platform of the Photon Mono 4 improves adhesion to mitigate lifting and warping of the model during 3D printing, while keeping the removal process simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method is ideal for beginners. After the first leveling and tightening the 4 screws, no need to repeat leveling. Photon Mono 4 can resume printing when power is restored, effectively reducing material and time wastage. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro 14K Resin 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro achieves a high speed of 170 mm per hour in a 0.1 mm layer thickness test using high-speed resin. At the same time, the printing speed of standard resin reaches 130 mm per hour, breaking boundaries and greatly improving printing efficiency, achieving truly fast printing. With a 14K monochrome LCD screen with 13312*5120 resolution and 16.8 x 24.8 xy resolution, the Photon Mono M7 Pro prints holes as small as 0.3 mm in diameter, which is more than enough to handle fine printing tasks and make your models stand out. The COB light source system, combined with Fresnel lenses and front-facing reflectors, can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. ANYCUBIC Light Turbo 3.0 is also equipped with a light-off compensation algorithm, which ensures that every layer of the model is successfully exposed and removed from the mold, significantly improving the printing success rate. The dynamic temperature-controlled resin vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times. And Resin Autofill feature enables automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Number 3. ANYCUBIC 10K Resin 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 Ultra delivers a 105% boost in print precision compared to Photon Mono 2. A 7-foot, 10K LCD screen features a resolution of 9024 by 5120, with each pixel measuring just 17 by 17 micrometers. Utilizing an 8mm T-type screw rod and precision guide rails, it excels in producing detailed and vibrant models. ANYCUBIC Mono 4 Ultra uses an advanced COB light source integrated with a Fresnel lens, able to achieve greater than or equal to 90% light uniform rate. Controls the model tolerance within the range of plus or minus 0.01 to 0.05 millimeters, making even the slightest differences clearly visible, ensuring that every detail of the model is accurately carved. Mono 4 Ultra utilizes the latest ACF film. With the support of intelligent release algorithms, it effectively reduces release force to shorten printing time. The max printing speed is up to 120 mm per hour with high-speed Resin 2.0, 60% faster than Photon Mono 2. With the intelligent self-check functions, ANYCUBIC Mono 4 Ultra takes you far away from tedious operations, bringing a hassle-free printing experience. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3 Resin 3D Printer. Compared to ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 2, Wash and Cure 3 has an impressive 42% increase in cleaning basket capacity. This makes it perfectly tailored for LCD. Like curing, 3D printers with a size of 7.3 inches or less. The volume of the cleaning bucket has also increased to 4L, meeting the cleaning needs of larger and more 3D models. The innovative Flexicure gooseneck light design of ANYCUBIC increases the energy value by 30,000 UW/cm superscript 2 within a 1 to 3 centimeters irradiation range, significantly strengthening the curing effect on subtle areas such as the top of models and the hem of garments. The double-layered PP material cleaning basket is designed to support cleaning with different platforms. It features two adjustable heights at 100 mm and 165 mm, providing flexibility to accommodate printing platforms ranging from 5.9 inches to 7.3 inches. This design also maximizes the efficiency of IPA usage by utilizing a new bead arrangement and lens light source. Wash and Cure 3.0 offers a 20% asterisk improvement in curing uniformity over the previous generation 2.0. This results in a more thorough and comprehensive curing of the entire model. Number 5. Creality Halot R6 Resin 3D Printer. Creality Halot R6, a Resin 3D printer designed for newbies, is easy to operate. It has a built-in boot guide to help you complete the networking and other basic configurations. Can be a complete novice, can be used right out of the box. Resin 3D Printer Halot R6 adopts 2K 6.08-inch LCD screen. The body size is 2/5 of the conventional size, light to 4.25 kilograms. Ultra-compact body, to save the placement of the space, use more comfortable. Our 6 LCD printer body is made of high-strength alloy material, impact and corrosion resistance, not afraid of the daily bumps. Let you easily 3D printing anytime and anywhere. Creality 3D Resin Printer R6 is equipped with an integral light source only available in high-end products, with light source uniformity greater than 90%, uniform and stable light, better overall consistency when curing each layer of the model, and smoother and more delicate models printed out. The orange-coated top cover can shield 99.89% of UV rays, safer and more eye-friendly. The Creality Resin Printer R6 is equipped with an excellent flatness platform, which can increase the adhesion of the model and improve the printing success rate. The R6 has a high-precision Z-axis single-line guide and gap elimination nut, which effectively suppresses wobbling and reduces misalignment when printing, and the model surface is delicate and smooth. Meanwhile, you can additionally install a web camera through the USB port to support high-definition remote monitoring and time-lapse shooting.